Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another Scraptember layout. So today we are only going to do one prompt, yay! And today is vellum or acetate. I've chose vellum. And I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. So this is practically the end of my co-set kit that I pulled this month. And I did a bit of prep work, but this is my scraps that's left from the collection. I have some really thin strips, and I have this paper behind here. This is my prep work I did. I ended up taking a sheet of black cardstock, and then I took a piece of 8.5 by 11 vellum, and I glued the paper down because you know it's that hard paper that's like Paris kind of thing to use. And I went around and I sewed, and then I put some sequins and some glitter down into down into it, and then sewed it shut. So pretty much that's my favorite way to use acetate or vellum on a layout, is to create a shaker. So I absolutely love it. So I got that part done already. And then I have photos, and they are of Vivian, so you know we can't show her face, but she's adorable. This is whenever she was a baby. She's 3 already. I'm a little bit behind. I did cut the title on my Cricut. It says Sweet Baby Vivian. And then I had a sticker sheet from Hobby Lobby, and that I had got on clearance, and I ended up using all but 2 of the stickers. So this is the 2 that I did not use. So that's what all these came from. And I wanted to use them since I knew I was going to make a shaker here, because this is like one of the little shaker sticker embellishments. And then I have some pieces that I cut from the sticker pack for this collection. And I'll probably actually use some more of these stickers on the layout, but I've got to get a little bit further first. But this is pretty much all the stickers I have left, and I have this piece of paper left. And that's it from the whole kit, from that one. Y'all know I chose 3 this month. So we'll see how the other ones end up coming along. But what I thought I would do with all of these little strips is just to kind of create like a little border over here out of them, so that you could still see them, and they're pretty, but get them used up. So I will fast forward while I glue all of these on. Okay, so I have all my little strips glued down. So next I am going to add my photos on here. And it's probably actually better to use double stick tape to add the photos and stuff onto that vellum, because you don't want it to make it wet. But I am currently out of double stick tape after creating a bunch of albums for the crop that I did for my class when I went, so I don't have any, so I'm just going to use glue. But like I said, I would definitely recommend double stick tape. Alright, so there's that glued on. And then I have this chunk. This one was actually my favorite paper in the whole collection. And the whole reason why I bought it. Okay. So now I have that. And then I'm going to add my title. And then I do have my dots for the eyes, but I think I am just going to draw in my own and just draw some little hearts. Okay, there's that part. And then I am just going to kind of create some clusters using these stickers. And I think I will use these leaf ones at least, and maybe the flower that's on here, just to get them used up. This one is a sticker also. So let's see here. I think I'm going to do it like this. And then I think I'm going to use this one. Y'all know stickers are usually the hardest part for me to use. So and then I have these small ones. That's from the sticker thing. It says smile today and hope. So I'm just going to add them just so I can use them up. And these stickers are never very sticky, so I always add glue to them. And then I'm going to add all these other little stickers that I have and create some little clusters with them. It to not only be using up a collection, but to actually use up stickers that I've had for a really long time also. I want to use this one on here. These little mushrooms are the cutest. I absolutely love them. I would be happy with just a whole pack of just those little mushrooms with the flowers. They're so cute. Okay, and then I have this little leaf. Just going to put it here. And then these little puffy mushrooms. And that will be the layout. I will do my journaling. I will post a picture at the end. It turned out so cute. And it's a shaker. So I know a lot of it's covered up, but you can still see it and it still shakes freely. So that's super fun. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this and that it inspired you, and you will go and check out everyone else playing along with How to Kill a Kit and with Scraptember, and that hopefully you are playing along and using up your supplies. So until next time, bye y'all.